With all that tube peeling, tube, it's nice though, you know?
Yeah, but it don't last. Like this.
You guys gotta take care of it. Best you can.
Gotta maintain the ocean vessel.
Ah.
Well, next week I'm going to Paris.
When?
Paris.
That'd be nice. Let the six trailer sit in there for a few
Sure.
Just pull the plug here real quick.
Well, they got this side capped off.
Well, I'm glad I didn't go over there.
See. Great. Hard worker.
Oh my God. I wonder why they did that, Doug. Was it leaking?
Probably had a leak and instead of fixing it, they just cut the water off.
That's bullshit.
That's no way to be, man.
It's $12 to get in, guys.
You want to hook one up to the engine, you have to go underneath and go inside.
Good one.
It is on this one right here. It's about right here. What? Not he's kind of hooked the water.
That's a lot of work.
It's all part of it, Doug.
Work is like running a jackhammer all day. You're standing there doing nothing.
Standing on a roof doing roof
We're holding, what do they call the thing that got all the plaster on? And then going like this all day. Dave was a plasterer. So
Wow.
an artist.
Wow.
It looks like marble.
I see.
You can see in a mansion.
Venetian.
And all the most fancy money and those And this is special. See this?
What's this one for?
This goes where
Hey,
the
you want to deal on the,
About right here, Doug.
Life jacket.
Hey, Doug, it's about on this side. It's on this side. About right in there.
I'm gonna rinse this off.
You see it?
I'll find it.
there's a lot of water in it.
No. You have to kind of get them wet to make it work.
Okay.
They open them up and kind of stuff.
Oh.
Just keep your finger in there, Doug, and we'll start it up.
I had a hard time getting it to work last night.
That's all right. It's gonna work.
I know to get. I need a new one.
It's a little flimsy.
Yeah, it's gone.
You got it.
Okay, go ahead. Start it up.
You're the man of power.
And then it comes out over here. So in just a minute, the water will circulate through the engine. Here it comes.
Oh, I see.
So it's salty right now,
Oh.
and then we just flush all the salt water out of it.
Oh.
That's right. I saw you drinking salt water today.
Đó.